Hello everybody, welcome to Object Oriented Programming with Java Laboratory. So in this video, I'm going to explain program number 3, program number 3B. So that is arithmetic calculator using a switch statement. So here is the question. You can see the question here. For write a program for arithmetic calculator using a switch case menu. Okay. So what is switch? So a switch statement, select one of the many code blocks to be executed. It will select one code block. A switch statement, select one of many code blocks to be executed, and it is alternate to if-else statement. A switch expression is evaluated once. The value of the expression is compared with the value of each case. If it is matches, then associated block will get executed. Okay. So the break statement break out of the switch block and stop the execution when the condition matches. So each case will be having the break. When the condition matches, break will get executed and it will come out of the loop. We will see this the code for this. So here is the class, that is a switch class. So I have created one object of scanner class because if you want to read anything, I need a scanner class. I have to import it before going to use any functions of it. So then I'm asking the user to enter the operator. So simple calculator. Here I use subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division. If you want, you can add even more. So here the system.out.println, I'm asking the user to enter the operator. So then I'm reading that operator. And storing in a variable called operator. So here I'm using a character type, char type. So I'm reading the character at first position. Char at 0 means reading a first position. For example, if I give a plus ABC, it will not bother about the ABC. It will bother about only the first character, the character at the 0th position. So it will read that plus and it will store it in a operator. Okay. Next, I'll ask the user to enter the first operand value, then second operand value. Okay. So after that, I have created one variable to store the result. So then that operator, whatever I have read, that operator I'm passing to a switch. The parameter I'm passing to a switch statement. Okay. So this operator will be compared with the each cases. This operator will be compared with the each cases. Suppose the case one, that is if the operator is plus, you have to perform the addition. You have to perform the addition, that is first operand plus second operand, store it in the result. If the operator minus, perform subtraction. If the operator multiplication, perform multiplication. If the operator is slash, perform a division. Apart from this, if you give anything else like modulus operator or any other operator or any other data apart from these four cases, if you give it will display invalid operator. This is the default case. Assume that I have given plus. This operator value will be compared with this case. Plus is equal to plus. Yes, condition matching. Then it will enter into this block, and this code will get executed, and the break will come out of the switch. It will come out of the entire switch because we have matched the condition here, and I'm printing the result here. The result is operator 1. So operand 1 plus operand 1, then operator value operand 2 is equal to the result I am printing here. Okay. So these double quotes are just to give the space, just for the spaces. I'll show you the output. You'll get an idea. So let me go to my prompt. Okay. The program name is switch. Sorry, I have to give the extension. Java switch. Now I'll give the operator minus. Then it is asking me enter the first operand. Then second operand. See, the result is first operand minus second operand is equal to the result. Like this I have given. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you the execution in Eclipse software as well. I'll copy this. I'll open the Eclipse software. So here already I have created one project, that is lab Java. I'll right click on this and please go through the first program. There I have shown how to create a project. Then go to new, select the class. So in this I'll give the name class name. Okay, so here I'll copy my program. This is the switch program. Run it. Okay, so I'll enter the operator. This time I'll enter plus. I'll enter the operand value 10. Second operand value I'll give 20. See, the result is a 30. Okay. Thank you, students. Hope you understood the program. Thank you.